Hello guys, in this tutorial we will see how Blazor layout works. So sometimes we may want to have elements which we want to appear in all pages in our application. And in Blazor we will do it in the main layout. And one way to do it is to use a layout where we can put items such as menu, header and footer. I will open the app.razor file. And in the app.razor, we have the configuration for routing and layout also. So here we are using the default layout. So if the routing is not found, it will go to the not found section, else it will go in the found section.
So to specify a layout in a component, we need to use the razor directive @layout. What the compiler will do, it will convert the @layout into a layout attribute, which is applied to the component class.
Now let's open the main layout.razor. It should be noted that main layout is also a component.
In the main layout, you will see on the top we have @inherits layout component base. Go to definition. So let's go to the definition. And here you will see that it is inheriting from component base.
Let's run this application. Here on the left, we have a menu, and it does not matter on which page we are on. That menu will still be visible. And the navigation link, it is on the left. So here, as you can see, we have the component nav menu. So we have the about link, and the about link will be in the main, and here it is. So the about link will appear in all the pages, and then we will have the body. So the body is the main body, and all the component will be displayed in @body. So under the body, I will add a paragraph. This text will appear in each page. So all these will appear in each of the pages that I will enter. Now let's run it. And as you can see, we have it in all the pages. I will add the counter component in every pages. Blazor app.client.pages.counter. And also I will add another link, and you can put your link here. Let's run this application. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So here, as you can see, we have the counter component, and on the top we have the link, your link, and which will be visible in every page. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for the next Blazor tutorial. If you haven't watched the previous Blazor tutorial, you will find it in my channel in the Blazor playlist. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.